I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study in IGCSE. First, familiarize yourself with the syllabus and exam format for each subject. Next, create a structured study timetable, allocating specific times for different topics. Gather all your essential resources, including textbooks and past papers. Finally, identify your personal learning style to choose the most effective study techniques for you. This foundational preparation is key to successful IGCSE performance. Now, let's dive into effective study techniques. Actively engage with your material by taking concise notes and summarizing key points in your own words. Make sure to use past papers regularly. They are invaluable for understanding question types and managing your time. Break down complex topics into smaller, more digestible parts. Consider forming a study group to discuss challenging concepts and reinforce your understanding with peers. Consistent revision is crucial for IGCSE success. Regularly review all previously learned material to solidify your memory and understanding. Practice answering exam-style questions under timed conditions to build speed and accuracy. Pinpoint your weak areas and allocate additional study time to strengthen them. Don't hesitate to seek feedback on your practice answers from teachers or classmates. Their insights can be incredibly helpful. Your well-being is just as important as your studies. Maintain a balanced diet and ensure you get adequate sleep, aiming for around 8 hours nightly. Incorporate short, regular breaks into your study sessions to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Stay hydrated and manage any stress through simple relaxation techniques. On exam day, arrive early, feeling calm and prepared with all necessary materials, ready to perform your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.